Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, Miss Ola and Mr. Radin. So, I introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nazlil. You can call me Nazlil. I'm from Kulkas. Mr.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My complete name is Muhammad Shauki, but everyone calls me Shauki, and then I'm one of these students, and I'm from Eagle class. Okay, do you know my conversation right?
Yes.
Okay, what is our topic today?
Is my reason to be English.
The reason studying English. Okay, so what's your reason of studying English? What the reason do you study English?
The first, I don't want to study English. When I study Arabic, I want to come back my boarding house.
What is it to study? What is studying?
Village English. In there for 4 months.
That
ASEAN.
ASEAN, I knew. Before studying here, I stay near from ASEAN. In front of ASEAN, there is Gria Quran. Gria Quran, do you know? I stay there. Actually, yeah.
Restaurant.
Yeah. Okay. After I stayed there for 2 years, I'm here. So easy.
And then I want to come back to my boarding house. So I thought English is very useful in this modern life. Oh yeah, I see so. Because when we go to abroad, we can practice English with different people in there. When we go to Australia, Dubai, we can do speak English. In Arabic, just Arabic. But English all country.
Yeah. So English is international language.
So I want to study English. When I come back to my boarding house, I want to teach my younger brother and my nephew and other people.
Good.
I want to be a teacher later.
English teacher.
Little bit. My young brother and my sister in my boarding house.
Okay. Oh, so do you have boarding house? Do you have boarding house? Like pesantren, your brother? No.
No.
Good. So that is the reason you study English.
Reason like what just easy right? Just now.
Yeah.
That's my reason. And then secondly, my reason is studying English. I want to stay in Arabic. I want to stay in. I think in there the many people to speak English and Arabic little. So when we can to speak English, it will be easy for us to contact each other. I think like that. So.
And then, why do you choose BC from than the other course?
Before when I have studied English, Arabic, I asked my friend. He graduated BC. My friends, where is the best course in Paris? She said to me, you must try in BC. I think BC is a very comfortable place and we can get discipline in there.
Yeah.
I hear for him.
Okay.
I want to try in BC. So right now I'm studying English. I think BC is the best course in Paris. When we want to be a teacher, I think I suggest to study in BC.
Yeah. So because BC not only study about English, about grammar, about speaking, but also study about discipline, responsibility. Yeah. Okay.
Because I like discipline.
Oh yeah.
Discipline is very good in my opinion.
Yeah.
And then my friend he until MS. He speaks usually. I say to him, I want to
Right.
assume.
Okay.
She said to me, you can later if you have studied in BC. Oh, I'm very interested. I want to try in BC. Okay. enough.
Ayan.
Just for me,
Yeah.
last easy.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum
Wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.